Over 6,000 unclaimed tax refund checks sit at the Department of Administration, and starting next week, they will be in the hands of island residents.
This has never been done before. This is the first time that this is being done.
And while the Internal Revenue Service does not require a publication of this list, the suggestion has been tossed around for some time. DOA Director Benita Manglona, in fact, says DOA has been working on the list since last year, trying to comply with the IRS code and ensuring all information is safe to be released.
So it had to go through a vetting process. And we're ready now to release those names without amounts.
And while it's hard to believe that 19 million have gone unclaimed, Manglona says there are several reasons as to why this could have happened.
It all depends. Some taxpayers, they file their returns and then they leave, and then they don't leave a forwarding address. Or they put the wrong address, and it's just undeliverable. And some taxpayers have passed on.
And while the next month will see the start of the distribution and processing time frame for these unclaimed tax refunds, it will also mark another batch of refunds to be paid for 2012 as well.
We are waiting for the month of May to see how much we're supposed to set aside, because there is a requirement that we set aside based on the actual collection of income tax.
About 30 million has already been paid out for 2012 refunds for those who filed error-free returns on or before February 12th. Ultimately, Manglona says it's part of returning money rightfully owed to the taxpayer.
I feel good. We're trying to clean our payables. We're just trying to take care of a lot of these issues that have never been addressed in the past. And I think the people should get their money that's due to them.
A list of names, addresses, and dates with unclaimed checks will be published April 26 in the Government of Guam PROA newsletter. A list of dates has been set to pick up those checks, grouped alphabetically beginning with A through F between April 29th to May 3rd, G through O on May 6th to the 10th, and P through Z from May 13th to the 17th. A valid ID is required for checks unclaimed for less than a year, whereas those for more than a year will be required to call or email DOA to set up an appointment. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.